Hello everyone! It's Sunday! And you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Secret Sundays natin, which is featuring the latest episode of the Viva Max Anthology Series Secret Campus. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, sali na kayo, 5,000 to the now 5,000 subscriber channel. Itong si Harriet, ang inyong God Gamer. At yun. Yeah. Don't forget to adjust natin to. Don't forget to like this video para mapunta tayo sa For You page, sa recommendation ni YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe para lumaki lalo ang ating channel, because today is Sunday, Secret Sundays on Secret Campus, and we are focusing on Atasca's character Andy. Ayun. So last week is si Clea, which ended with someone dead. Dito kaya, is someone gonna end up dead here? Yeah, I'm beginning to think that's the premise of this anthology. I think, yun, tingnan natin. Okay, so let's go to the review and recap of Secret Campus Andy. So, we were first introduced to the teacher, Joaquin Jimenez, played by Aaron Villaflor. Aaron Villaflor, you last saw him on Hilom. He is along with Christine Berma. Siya yung may alagang pagong na ang pangalan ay Bantay. Ayun. So, Aaron Villaflor is like a writer figure. Tapos, ang kanyang unang lektura dito sa universidad, tawag doon, comedy. So, yeah. Hindi mo siya komedyante. Pero more on sa literature siya. He's like a liberal arts professor. So, yun. Then, on the corridor, we are seeing our main character, one of the main characters, si Andy. Andrea, I forgot her surname, basta Andrea, a business economics student. So, if you're wondering, how can a business economics student end up with a liberal arts professor? So, it's no secret na ito yung magiging kwento nito, since it's all over the trailers, but it's very interesting to find out. So, Andy, sumisilip pinsan sa window pane ng mga classroom on Joaquin's lectures. And one of the post-class session, yung parang lalabas yung professor mo, tapos may sasalubong ng mga estudyante, puro mga babae sumasalubong sa kanya. Minsan tinatanong, paano ma-extend yung deadline, paano ma-meet yung ganito, computation of grades, mga ganon. Typical university stuff, and we always see Andy here looking at the background. Ayun. So, what is the deal dito? It turns out, Andy has a crush on Joaquin, and she is eager to meet Joaquin. However, Joaquin has some dark secrets of his own, okay? So, at one point na palabas na to, pupunta siya sa isang massage place. He even skipped his co-worker's birthday for a massage session. And typical Viva Max style, yung masahista, may extra service. So, I found out that the name of the masahista is Hannah, and is played by Jem Milton. We haven't seen Jem Milton since October of last year sa pelikulang Tubero. Alam ko sa Tubero si Jem Milton yung kay Angela Morena. That's the last time I've ever heard of her. So, welcome back, I guess. Congratulations, I guess. And yeah. So, with the return of Jem Milton, ayun, she's doing some dry humping sa katawan ni Joaquin. And hindi naman talaga pagtatalik per se, pero yun. Ito yung mga dark sessions or secret sessions nitong ni Sir Joaquin. So, that's on a weekend. He always goes there on a Friday. So, Monday, Andy decides she wants to meet her crush, yung professor na kina-crush niya, and she wants to sign one of his books. And this is the fateful meetup. And Professor Joaquin, charmed by Andy, and in-invite niya si Andy sa parang poetry night nung bar, Likha Bar kung tawagin. And this is where Andy and Joaquin grew close to each other. And meron dito yung bouncer, parang inaabot. Meron dito yung bouncer, sinisita si Andy. I think Andy fake yung yung sa bouncer. Yung nagmukha siyang inaapi. To which Joaquin rescued her, and then Andy got a cheap hug. She got cheap touches with Joaquin inside the cab. And this leads to a scene in this show kung saan parang alam mo yun, yung tinouch na ni Andy sarili niya. Okay. And yeah, this thing continues. Andy is inspired to take up some writing lessons, even though she is business economics, para lang parang instrument niya para maging malapit kay Joaquin. On the other hand, yung pagiging close ni Andy nakaka-apekto sa psyche ni Joaquin, to the which when he had one of those secret massage sessions with Hannah, iniisip niya si Andy yung nagda-dry hump sa kanya. Ayun. And at this incident, nagkaroon tuloy ng friction sa dito sa dalawa na to. Okay? Yung isang session dito, we meet Irene. Irene is the best friend or something ni Joaquin. So teacher rin siya. Irene was offered to sit alongside Joaquin during Joaquin's session with Andy, to which Andy literally sinungitan niya si Irene. And ayun. So, napansin ni Andy, di na siya pinapansin o hindi nilalayuan siya ni Joaquin. And this is something that becomes the different type of Andy that we know. So, it evolved. Yung sinasabi kong evolved is parang yung psyche or yung demeanor ni Andy nag-iba. And she becomes so flirtatious and seductive. She even went in to the faculty room, okay? And this is where yung parang tunay na pagtatalik session, mature scene. Yung tunay na mature, yung talagang may pagtatalik involved. So Andy coerced Joaquin to have a makeout session at the back of the bookshelf at the faculty room. So habang nangyayari yun, yung patapos na nag-walk in itong si Irene, she heard some ungol, as tapos na, and Joaquin just went out of the bookshelf and he is buttoning his shirt, and then Andy, and then Andy came out. It really seems obvious. Kinompronta naman nito ni Irene, and ito naman si Joaquin medyo worried kasi nga nakipagtalik siya sa estudyante. So, I like yung perception ni Aaron Villaflor dito. Okay? Yung kanyang performance. He went from mahilig sa yung talagang na-coerce siya to nasa duck and then got pleasured out of it to being a panic professor na wala pa idan, di ba ganun? Ayun. And from there, Joaquin really distanced himself from Andy, and this is how Andy threatens Joaquin's work. So Andy filed for sexual harassment sa faculty, and this would really put Joaquin in the dismissal. But fortunately for Joaquin, Irene stepped up and ruined Andy's plan, and the truth came out that Andy was the one who forced Joaquin into having sexual relations with her. Ayun. And dito yung parang nagyayakapan nato or parang kino-comfort ni Irene si Joaquin. Andy is looking on. She looks frustrated and ready for payback. So Likha Bar, this is the last time, this is the last scene. Joaquin and what's their name? Irene are having a drink, and at the end of it, Andy confronted Joaquin and stabbed Joaquin, and Andy is laughing. Itong nangyari kay Andy, she realized she lost. She did not took the loss lightly and went crazy. And the final shot of this episode is Andy laughing hysterically or parang maniacally. And freeze frame, that's the end of Secret Campus, episode 2. I like Atasca's performance here. She seems very comfortable with her role. Ayun. And yeah, yung kanyang acting flawless. I like it. Yung ganyang and her mature scenes can really use a little bit of work. Parang alam ko na yung pattern she just let people cup her breast or something. Pero yung point na pumayag siya mag-dry hump, yeah, I like, parang okay naman. Safe naman sila Alam na, pang professional naman yung mga yan. Yung way na paano in-execute yung mature scene, yeah, I like how Atasca does it. But I like to see a little bit more carefree. Siyempre, pagbigyan, bago pa lang. I mean, she did a good job sa Bugaw, great job sa Bisyo. She is like the future, di ba? Aaron Villaflor, spotless performance. Ayun. Okay, again with Atasca's acting, yung kanyang pagsigaw. Kasi, tinatawag yung sa point na talagang dumistansya na si Joaquin kay Andy. Yung pagtawag ni Andy kay Joaquin is still sir. So sir siya na sir. Upon frustration, sumigaw siya, Joaquin! Yun. And I felt that. This is no longer the sir that she knows. This is just the Joaquin. Ayun. And that is my review of Secret Campus. Andy, episode 2. Ito yung episode 2, diba? So, this Friday, Punit na Langit starring Stephanie Gray, and we are back on Secret Sundays with episode 3 of Secret Campus. This is your boy, God Gamer Harriet. Thank you. At wala akong in memoriam picture naman for this video. So, yeah. Bumabagyo. Keep safe. Goodbye and good night. Bang!